Hey guys, it's me, Denial here, again, back with another video. This time we're going to be playing Teardown. I finished the campaign before I started making videos, so we're actually just going to be playing with a bunch of mods. I'm thinking we just go wherever we feel like. In this video right now. Anyway, hi guys, how's it going? Talking to a single person at a time, probably. Oh, my audio is off. Oh, it's doing the weird audio glitch. Sorry guys, there's an audio glitch in this game that makes it so that my audio doesn't work. So that is a thing that bothers me a lot, because then this game's audio just never works at all, and then I'm forced to do stuff like just talk to cover up all the audio. Anyway, we have here a pirate ship, and there's a hole in it, and there's probably treasure in it, and that would be cool. There. Ah, yes, the treasure chest. Totally didn't know that was there. Yep, those holes were there before. Oh. It's fine. I'm gonna do some ski shooting. I guess, oh my god. Spawn. Let's spawn in among us. Hey, ski shooting. Alright. Ooh, puddle. I bet I could drown myself in this puddle. Ow! I've been exploded. This is how trees work. Alright. I'm just gonna put nitroglycerin everywhere. And it appears I have died. Wee. Oh, hey, look, it's my dead body. Don't do this in real life, people. I think it's illegal. Ooh, I have an idea for something fun. A little something fun. We have here a Minecraft world. And I'm not going to play Minecraft, even though I do have Minecraft block placer. I am going to make a hole in the ground, probably using this. Alright, just your average everyday hole in the ground that you have all the time. And in this hole, I'm going to spawn a person. Hitler. Yep, this guy. And now I'm going to take this here, nitroglycerin, and just fill up this pit with nitroglycerin. We'll be back soon. I don't know how to edit, so you just have to, I don't know, skip through this part in the video. Or I'm almost done. I'm not gonna do that much. There, that's good. Alright. Sniper rifle. We just go like that. And, ooh. Huh, that crater seems a bit bigger. And what do you do with big craters? You fill them with lava. Duh. Is there like any other option? What's that? You don't just have lava at the ready for when there's a giant crater? Why are you even here then? Like, what the heck? Yes, I do just have lava in my pocket spawn book. Anyway, in this lava, we will be taking this here. Let's go with a teardown character. This is Gordon. Oh, he's on fire. We'll just put him in the lava. That's spoilers, don't look. Alright. Gordon for real this time. Alright, here we have Gordon. Pretty cool, pretty cool. He tells you to commit crimes in the game. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put a plank here. We're gonna take this here physics gun. Pick him up. Moo, he's on fire. Well, dang it. How about this guy who's in jail? Maybe this guy'll work better. Plank, physics gun. Maybe I'll get him this. Oh. They just catch on fire when they're near the lava pit now? Alright, well in that case, we'll go like this and we'll just right click. Yes, that was his organs falling in. Alright, so now that you've seen that, one of the things I can do is I can pick someone up with my physics gun, and I can right click to freeze their body in midair and have all these fall out, which does in fact kill them. And also it seems it makes them bleed a little bit. But of course, when you have a lava pit, you can just hide the evidence. Alrighty, let's spawn in the mutant warden from Minecraft. I have too many Minecraft mods because they were popular on the workshop where I get my mods. Anyway, let's just put him in the lava. See how it works. Use this here, not a Minecraft bow. Sometimes the arrows stick. Like there. I think I have to be level with them for them to stick. Or shoot downwards. Nope. That was just a lucky shot, I guess. I also have this. And that. And this sword, which I can just... Oh, never mind. How about this sword? Yep, this one works. And just sort of look down and just cart. I don't think he's dead. Hang on. Let me go. Light sword and physics gun. Alright, we'll take him out of the lava. Yes, he is completely fine. How far do I have to, like... Cause, oh! That was it. Let's see if I go like this. Can I just take his head off without damaging the torso? Cause the torso has that cool, like, Souls of the Dead pattern on it. Oh, it's not glowy. It's usually glowy. I'll get rid of the bodies. Another thing you can do in this game, you can grab a car. Let's go with this pink car. Can just take, oh, oops, oopsies. Well, let's get a brand new car. You can take this, and this is a vehicle thruster, which they look like top hats because top hats are better than anything else. And you can just put a couple on, and then you can go like this. And now you're from Back to the Future. And this is a procedurally generated world, which means it keeps going. However, this doesn't mean that I can't do this and try to outrun it, which I'm trying to slow down now so that I can turn like this, and I can go like that there. Go, 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 come on, come on, come on, come on. I am floating right now. I can see. Oh, I spun out. Oh, crap. This is what I get. I flew too close to the sun. Well, let's get maybe. No, hang on. I know there is a sports car. Points if you know what points if you know which one of these is the sports car. Oh, it was this one. Alright, we put one there and one there. We put one in the middle there and in the middle there. And hopefully it'll be enough to outrun it this time. Hopefully. I do feel like I'm accelerated faster, but I don't feel like I'm going faster. I think it capped out at the same speed. And I spun out. Wait, we might be able to make it. I don't think we'll be able to make it, but we might be able to. That car is still me, by the way. I am in that car. Oh, dang. Alright, let's try that one more time. But this time, we don't care about precision. So we're just gonna make a lot of these. Just a lot. Alright, because that way... Oh, oops. Oh, oops. Oh, oops. Oh, oops. Okay, let's try that again. I need to, like, delete this light sword. It's... Okay, just vehicle thrusters. Alright, we don't want them pointing down. What did I just say about the downward pointing vehicle thrusters? Alright, let's go on the sides instead. Maybe this'll work. Okay, it didn't. How about this? Does this work? Am I doing it? Oh, jeez. Oh, my God. Alright, Hang on. We're gonna pull out the big guns. The real speedrun tactics. Where is it? Superman. Superman, that guy's, I think. I don't know. Tell me in the comments if he's fast. Don't do that. Alright, Superman. Da, 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 da. Oh! Ow! Jeez, what happened? What just happened? Did I click something that I wasn't supposed to click? Like, did I turn on slow motion, or is this just part of the game? Did I, like, enter a cheat code for zero gravity? It doesn't matter. We, we. Look, you can see it trying to follow me. Can it catch up, though? Nope, it can't. We outran it. Nice. What's the laser button? Is it X? Oh, it's X. It's X, okay. And then C makes it, I guess, hotter? And then if I do V, zooms in. Alright, and then if I press Z, it stops time. I don't think that's from this. Anyway, that's enough for now, because I'm doing short videos. So, roll non-existent outro. Bye!